Welcome back. I'm in the back seat of my 1964 Impala. As you can see, these are not the 1964 Impala seats. They are out of my 2004 Cadillac Deville DTS. I chose these because Cadillac Deville is one of my favorite cars. I'm sitting in my favorite car, the 1964 Impala, and the motor and transmission come from one of my other favorite cars, the G-Body Monte Carlo. So I decided that this project was going to be a Frankenstein of all my favorite cars, and I haven't thought of anything else, any other vehicle that can donate to this project yet. But if you've got some ideas, don't hesitate to let me know. These are going to be heated seats, and the front seats, once I get them out of the DTS, will be cooled and heated. And then we'll probably do something different with the console and the dashboard. I haven't really decided yet, but we'll get it all figured out. Make sure you like, thumbs up, thumbs down if you're one of those guys, but make sure you comment, subscribe, definitely comment, put in your 2 cents, because I know you're an expert too.